day everyone. As we advance in this modern era, driven by technology, understanding the science behind how things work, particularly at their most fundamental level, has never been more important. I am Romy Dave Empabico, a third-year biological science student from Philippine Normal University, North Luzon. In today's lesson, we will embark on a fascinating journey to explore how electricity is generated and distributed, focusing specifically behind hydroelectric power. Have you ever wondered how the electricity powering your lights, appliances, and gadgets travels from power plants to your home? The answer lies in the incredible synergy between three essential devices: the motor, generator, and transformer, all of which play vital roles in the power generation and transmission. To bring this closer to your home, let us take a look at Magat Hydroelectric Power Plant located in Ramon, Isabela, a prime example of renewable energy in action. The Magat Hydroelectric Power Plant is one of the largest hydroelectric facilities in Luzon, capable of generating up to 388 megawatts of electricity. It harnesses the power of water from Magat River, which is controlled and stored by the Magat Dam, a massive multi-purpose structure with a storage capacity of 1.8 billion cubic meters. As one of the largest dams in the Philippines, Magat Dam plays a critical role in irrigation for people and especially for IPs, and also flood control and hydroelectric power generation. The dam's stored waters from flows through turbines, where mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy via generators. From there, transformers regulated the voltage of efficient transmission across the power grid, ensuring the clean, renewable energy. Energy reaches communities across northern Luzon. This power plant uses the flowing water from Magat River to create electricity. But how? Inside the generator, magnets spin around coils of wire. This magnet creates electricity using a process called electromagnetic induction. So in this stage, the penstocks are designed to handle high pressure and flow, allowing water rush downward with a great force. This pressure is what drives the turbine's wheel to spin, converting the water potential energy into mechanical energy. In a way, the penstock acts as a powerful pipeline, a delivery system that guides water from higher elevation to a lower point, making sure it reaches the turbines efficiently and safely. As water rushes through penstocks with a great pressure and force, it strikes the blades of turbines, causing them to spin. The spinning converts the water's potential energy into mechanical energy, in this case, rotational energy. Different types of turbines like Francis or Kaplan are designed to handle varying flow conditions, but their main role is the same: to transport the energy of moving water in a spinning motion. Now, in the control room, also called the powerhouse, the beating heart of the Magat Hydroelectric Power Plant, inside this room, engineers and control officers closely monitor and regulate the flow of electricity generated by the turbines. Here, the sophisticated control panels, switches, and computer systems keep track of the key parameters such as voltage, frequency, and load to make sure the power plant operates safely and efficiently. This is where the generated electricity is routed into the power grid, and from here, it is distributed from home, businesses, and industries across the region. Essentially, the control room plays a crucial role in delivering a stable and reliable power supply, turning the energy from falling water into electricity that we use in our daily life. Next, the electricity needs to travel over long distance, from Ramon to cities and towns. But here's the problem. If we send it at a low voltage, a lot of energy will be lost on the way. So, we use a step-up transformer. When electricity reaches town, it is still too powerful to use. That's where the step-up transformer comes in. These are found in substation and even on electric posts near to your house. These machines increases the voltage of electricity so it can travel faster and more efficient through high voltage power lines. These giant lines stretches across mountains, fields, and even roads, delivering electricity across regions. This step-down transformer, they reduce the voltage, making the electricity safe to use in our homes, schools, and buildings. Without these transformers, our device could be damaged or even catch fire. Before electricity enters to your house, it passes through electric meter. This small device measures how much electricity your home uses. That's how electric companies like Isalco know how much to charge your family each month. From there, electricity travels through the wires inside your walls, your lights, TV, refrigerator, and more. Inside many of these appliances is other important machine like the electric motor. While a generator turns into electricity, a motor does the opposite. It turns electricity in motion. That's how electric fan spin, how washing machine rotate. So, every time you see this, you are actually seeing electricity at work, thanks to motors. Let's review the full flow of electricity. First, it starts at a hydropower plant like here in Northern Luzon, which is the Ramon Isabela. Second, a turbine spins and drives a generator to produce electricity. Third, a step-up transformer increases voltage for long-distance travel. Fourth, electricity moves through high-voltage power lines. Fifth, at a substation, a step-down transformer reduces the voltage. 6. It reaches your home, passes through electric meter, and powers your appliances. Finally, electric motors inside appliances turn that energy into movement. Now, electricity is all around us. But now, you understand how it gets to us. I hope you enjoy this educational journey into the world of hydroelectric energy and how science empowers our daily life. As we've seen, understanding the roles of motors, generators, and transformers help us to appreciate the complex system that make electricity possible. From the rushing waters of Magat Dam to the light bulbs in our homes. Stay curious and never stop exploring the wonders of science. Once again, I am teacher Romy Dave M. Pabico, and I leave you these words. Science, empower progress. Thank you for listening. Until next time, keep learning and keep questioning.